Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to compare the iPhone 17e and the iPhone 17 Pro Max cameras. We'll cover daylight video, low-light video, and photo performance. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. The iPhone 17e comes with a single camera on the back, 48 megapixel main camera. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 Pro Max features a triple camera setup, 48 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48 megapixel telephoto camera. The iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers more natural colors, better dynamic range, and noticeably sharper details. Now let's move on to the low-light video comparison. The footage looks more refined and balanced compared to the iPhone 17e. In challenging lighting conditions, the iPhone 17 Pro Max maintains excellent clarity and controlled noise. Details remain crisp, and the exposure looks more stable, giving it a clear advantage. Let's move on to the daylight and low-light photos. In daylight, the iPhone 17 Pro Max captures richer textures and more accurate skin tones. In low-light photos, it preserves more detail while keeping the image clean and well-balanced. Overall, the iPhone 17 Pro Max truly stands out with its natural color science, impressive sharpness, and versatile triple 48 megapixel camera system. Which one do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.